My name's Gabriel. I'm 19 years old. I'm an undergraduate currently, and I'm bound to study at University of Newcastle in September. I'm going to study mechanical engineering. I chose this engineering internship on the basis that I have a passion for innovation, design and problem solving, and this internship portrayed that it would meet those needs, and I was able to build a drone and fulfill what I wanted to do. So the first task I was handed to was building a drone. I followed on from the previous intern's task where they had built the electronics for the drone and started designing the drone. I then had to follow on and build the rest of the drone using a 3D printer, designing the rest of the parts and making sure it would be stable and able to fly. As you can see, the drone is broken, and that's due to this being one of my first tasks as an undergraduate to build something like this, of which it exploded and I crashed the drone, which was an unfortunate result. A few other tasks that I was handed was to design and build some of the flanges, which I sketched out and learned obviously how to do the fundamental sketches in mechanical engineering. I was also taught the basics of some of the tools of mechanical engineering, including the caliper, which I think would be very handy for my mechanical engineering degree. My internship was hosted by Circa Abroad. During the first week my coordinator was ill, so I thought it did go a bit slowly. However, there was an amends during the second and third week, and that definitely went a lot more swimmingly. The second and third week I learned the most and was able to complete the project for my drone, of which I definitely felt that the second and third week I made the most of my internship. So yeah, I think it was good. So this is my first time in Thessaloniki. As it is my first holiday alone, I was able to mature and find my next step in maturity. I was also able to visit Halkidiki, which is about a half an hour drive from the centre, which I was able to sightsee and view some of the amazing beaches they have to offer, as well as also viewing some of the architectural masterpieces within Thessaloniki. And I also was able to go shopping and visit some of the food sites, of which I was able to try some of the Greek cuisine, including tzatziki, etc., which I enjoyed thoroughly.